Garlic is believed to have heart-healthy effects by helping to lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Carrots are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Yukon potatoes are a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and vitamin B6. They also provide dietary fiber, which is important for a healthy digestive system. Vegetable broth is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants from the vegetables used to make it. It can also be a great source of hydration. Whether you're using it as a base for soups or as a flavorful cooking liquid, vegetable broth can be a tasty and nutritious addition to your meals.